Here we are at Camp Clark, and we're blessed tonight to have quite a few of the family here and ready to eat. They've been grilling out, cooking, and we have 3 sets of Daves over here.
They don't ask questions, do they?
Nanny Betty and Phyllis and all of our usual gang. Takes quite a few vehicles to get us here anymore. But down there's the creek. I hope you get together and have a really good time over the Labor Day weekend.
Run in there real quick.
We've got some beautiful trees here that I'll show you. Show you one down here. Dave, how many trees is there in that one down there? 4?
Yep. 4 of them.
Look at that, 4 trees that have grown up in to that. And then there's one over here on the bank, if I can find it for you. It's very unique how things survive and what they do to survive. Look at this. These 2 trees have completely become dependent, one on the other. We walk up here on the road and I can show it to you a little bit more. If you watch families and watch how people survive, you'll see people do a lot of things to be able to survive. See, here it is wrapping around. Now watch the white one. See how the white one goes straight up? And now go back and watch the dark one. See, the dark one comes way out here over the road. Sorry, I lost it there. Comes way up here over the road. I have to be careful not to fall. This sciatic nerve trips me up a lot. Just getting together, having a good time, having a good meal, and thanking the Lord for family.